Welcome to beautiful Waterford, New York. Here on the banks of the legendary Hudson River stands the Centrotherm office and manufacturing facility. Moving in 2024 from the Port of Albany, Centrotherm's new home marks a major milestone for the plastics manufacturer. About 16 miles north of the previous location, Centrotherm upgraded all elements of the operational and administrative sides of the business. The new facility more than doubles Centrotherm's footprint, covering 120,000 square feet. Extensive value stream mapping was conducted prior to moving all the big equipment to optimize for production efficiency, and the airy open floor plan helps unite departments and foster teamwork. The overall expansion gives us the space we need to produce and deliver top-class products to the HVAC and plumbing industries.
Inside sales, marketing, HR, production planning, quality, finance, and more hang out here.
The rest of the building is home to a growing spectrum of engineers, technicians, welders, material handlers, line operators, and warehouse and logistics staff. Behind this long series of loading dock doors, the Centrotherm warehouse is teeming with inventory ready to ship to you. Our stacks are always flush with Inaflu, Inaflu Light, Acidarid, and Centrotherm ventilation products. While remaining professional, there was also a focus on crafting an inviting office and workspace for employees and visitors alike. Extra attention was given to making the shared spaces welcoming. Now we hold company-wide meetings in our break area, and our training room can comfortably host trainings, strategy meetings, and team lunches. An incredible amount of time, effort, and investment went into making the Centrotherm Waterford facility a state-of-the-art manufacturing plant, and we'd love for you to come see it. So chat with your local representatives, and let's figure out a way to arrange a visit.